Hi everyone, this is going to be kind of a short video just to tell you what's going on. The majority of you voted that you wanted a journal, and I didn't see anybody say anything about anything else other than a journal. So, because this is so long, I'm having to stagger the papers in it, like so. Anyway, it's going to be 60 pages when it's finished, but it's going to be packed in there. The thing is, I already recorded this video showing you exactly how I did this. And I am using Movie Maker for Windows 10. And for some reason, the last 2 times, it's just messed up. The video, the computer actually just went blank. So I don't know what's going on. I haven't done a lot to it tonight. I did make these into cabinet cards. I haven't stamped anything on them as, you normally would, because I'm not sure how much will be covered up. I glued this down, and, I hate to do this because it might mess up the spine, but I put bookbinding tape on the inside of the spine, which makes it really, really sturdy. So, and that's going to be covered up. You're not going to see that. But, yeah, I don't know what's going on with my Movie Maker. I hope it will save this time to let you know that I will be back, because I have to redo all those papers. They're glued together. So I have to see if I have enough papers to show you how I was doing it, to continue it. Yeah, I'm kind of upset about that. But anyway, it'll also give the new bookbinding tape time for the spine to set. And, I'm sorry, but, sometimes things just happen. And this is one of those times when it just happened. It's been a weird night. First off, I started videotaping it with no light on, just a little lamp. So, yeah. I'm going to see if I can find enough paper to do at least a half a signature, to show you how I was doing the papers to fit this, because I honestly do not have any paper big enough to go this way to fill this journal. So, Kathy's not a happy camper right now. I wanted to have part 2 finished. So when I come back, I'll show you a signature, how to fold them so that they will stagger. I have all the ephemera ready to go, and show you the inside has been reinforced to the max. I mean, this little flimsy folder is just as sturdy as a book right now, so I'm real happy with the way the folder's turning out. Anyway, I'm sorry guys, but we shall return, and I'll do another video. But right now, that was like an hour-long video, and I am too tired to do it again. I just wanted to give you all a heads up on what's going on, and let you know that I will be back with another one. See you soon. Bye.